How to add new tokens to your Trust wallet in easy, fast way. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add new tokens in easy way. So first thing we do is we go to Trust Wallet app right here, and as you can see now we confirm, and that's it. And this is the home page. Now if you want to add new tokens here, you have just to go to the top corner right here, click in this, and then you have to search for the token that you want, like for example dash coin, and now you turn on here and it will be added to your home page on Trust Wallet. As you can see, here is it. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.